In this problem, we find the refractive index of the yellow color. The refractive index of yellow color, when the refractive index of violet and red are given, is given by mu of V plus mu of R divided by 2. So this is equal to 1.6 plus 1.53 divided by, so this is equal to 1.565. And then the dispersive power of the same, this is A, and the dispersive power is given by omega is equal to refractive index of V minus refractive index of red divided by mu of Y minus 1. So this becomes 1.6 plus 1.53 divided by 1.565 minus 1, and this is equal to 0.123. This is the answer.